Wala ba? Oh, grabe.
Dali ba?
Madali pa. Madali pa. No. Oh, yeah. Hello. Lipat ko, lipat.
Bakit ka na? Ako kung magkakanan.
Oh. Hello.
Asa man ba to?
Sabi na na. Tawagin na na.
Hello po ba yun?
Wala ba yung bunggit?
Hello? Labi lang.
Ayaw sa tabi yun. Di man sa papilo.
Nagabalik na na.
Nice.
Nice, oy.
Nice na kayo, rabiha.
Ate Bingkay, may nga mabumbom sa atin.
Tuloy, Ate Bingkay.
Tuloy, Stephen Kay.
Bumbong na sa mama. Asa ko sa bumbong ate. Tanaw mo, kay para ka muna sa niya. Sayo mo.
Kumaan.
Kuya kayo din. Suya din din.
Ma'am po sayo si Princess oh.
Nituluan man niya gud. Siya nituluan na. Hindi na ka maawag kang sayo. Oo, ganun.
Parang gini-gini.
Mura mag-video ay siya mag-minula. Kumao sa mo ayag de.
May mo ayag. Ayag girl.
May sir. Ayag sir. Na. Ayag gud.
Oh, hindi pa yung sa oh. May pamdagay kang usa.
Gahit kayo po.
Oh.
Aliwan nila puwan.
Mga ngayag.
Kaya ano, kamaong sayaw. Di ko kamaong sayaw. Aliwan nila puwan ba? Magtanong dyan sa buhay sa babaw. Di mo alam. Marang kay klaro. Magsayaw din. Tanong si buhay.
Sorry guys, masyadong larag. I'm so oily. I have not taken a shower yet, but I was in my room downstairs and I saw these kids pass by, right? And I saw two of them. They look like they're about maybe 9, 8 years old. Two of them smoking like adults, like, you know, smoking cigarettes. So I followed them and I saw where they were going. Look at where they are. This is my village here, and this is owned by a mining company. This here, this it's a big river that they made. A lot of trash. This is where I'm from. My house is right over there, but look at what they're doing. The kids are, I don't know if you can, probably won't be able to see it, but I don't want to go too close and scare them off, but those are kids doing some diving and stuff. That's not clean water either. I have to cover them up. They're running and stuff. I think they see me. This river is not clean at all. Like, people dump trash and stuff here, so kind of the water even stinks. Sa ngalan ni mo? Sa ngalan ni mo eh? Ha? Kay? Asa man ta?
Sa Chelsea. Da? Let's go.
Nag-usap na doon eh. Usa itong kaunon.
Nakalo-halo.
Usa pa, Jud.
Uy, naran na.
Igutom ka o wala?
Unya na.
Singalan ni mo, Day. Ay, si Mother Earth, oh. Si Motherhood. Ikaw, Ting, singalan ni mo.
Okay na siya, hipon.
Para na sa siomay.
Ayaw kasi ate. Ayaw, gigil ka. Matikwan.
Kung saan ni siya?
Paklay.
Paklay. Wow, kadagang sa pagkaon.
Paklay na ko.
Biko. Birthday cake. Maha. Hello mga friends. Nako sa Mabalis kung higagaw. Ha? Oh, sorry. Ako takal. Muna siya kung ano. Ay, tago pa. Dali, dali. Ayaw, lagi kayo. Ba't nagigog na? Birthday man eh.
Gusto mong Amerikano. Gusto mo na
Muna yung kon. Lechon. Lechon. Ha?
Sinilas na
Lechon baboy. Roasted pig. This is the birthday girl. Thank you. Happy birthday. Si Ibiang. Ano na? This is Ibiang. Muna yung anak. Si Lablab. Hi, Lablab. No, gwapa kayo mangulo kaya di magulaw-ulaw. That's my uncle. Hello, Melke. Pusing na. Video ni, video. Video, I'm pusing. Mani ang mama sa birthday girl. Hello, Chikoy. Ma, pa-Chikoy. That's my uncle. Ivy, my aunt, my cousin.
Basta rin nga i-appel. Hindi ka makutungan. Appelin ka.
A lot of these people are from church. So, that's my niece. That's my cousin. My niece. That's my niece.
Ayaw na ng balon.
Relative. I don't know. That's my aunt there. That's Erline. Hello, baby. Nana. A friend. Hello, a friend. Hello, friend.
Subscribe din po na yun.
Subscribe to my channel. Tanawan. Oh, kakita ko. Very good. Thank you. Shout out to Nanat. Kani, wani subscribe. Bad girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ay, paspara.
Antamaan.
Okay, usap kang tabi. Happy birthday.
Uy, kata nagutro, uy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow. Yay. Bye-bye. Okay.
Bye, bye-bye.